Hi guys, so for this week's nail art what I've done is painted my nails white, and then as you can see using black we're going to paint the top half of the nail. If you prefer to make a perfect line you can of course mark this off with striping tape, but I am just going to eyeball it. Next, using a black and white striper, as you can see we're going to do 2 lines of each colour, and it's going to be of course done on the opposite shades. Next, using a silver holographic glitter striper, we're just going to do a short line across the centre point here. Now returning with the black and white, we're going to use a very small dotting tool and do 3 dots.